Hello beautiful people, welcome to Jumi's Kitchen, and I'm seizing this opportunity to welcome you to a brand new year. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when next I upload my next video. And to all those who have subscribed, I thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. Let's do this year. So today I'll be showing you how I make my oven grilled fish, the type of juicy and flavorful grilled fish. This recipe is so simple, I'm telling you, and straightforward. Also, it is tasty and healthy. So let's get right into it. So the first thing to do that I'll be doing today is salting my fish. I have 2 medium-sized croaker fish. I'll salt everything. You can see that it has been properly washed. It is clean. The dirt is out of it, so I'll just salt it first. After that, I'll be making some incision on the fish. This will allow the fish to get marinated properly. So make those incisions, make it a little bit deep. Do same to the other one. This process is just to help you make the fish more flavorful, so you have to do this. Alright, I'm adding more salt. You can see the incision is quite deep. Now I'm going on to the marinade. I have my chili pepper. I'll be blending everything together. The chili pepper, I'll need to cut it a bit so it can grind properly. My spring onions, then my onion. I have my red onion. I'll also cut that. I'll blend that. Then after blending it, I'll stir fry it a little, just to have that very nice flavorful fish. This shouldn't take more than 3 minutes. Just fry it a little bit. You can as well just use it without frying, but I like to fry mine so I can have it. I have more flavor in my grilled fish. Yes. So let me remind you that I added some oil to blend the marinade. Now I'll be using a paper towel to clean the excess water. I added salt and the fish must have released some water, so I first cleaned that out, and now I'm starting to add the marinade. This process is very important. This is the key process. You apply it all over the fish. This is what will make your fish so flavorful. You apply it, do this very well. Yes, and in those incisions that you've made, make sure that the marinade gets into it. So now, I also have my soy sauce, which I'm adding for extra flavor. It's just for extra flavor anyway. You can do without this. Then the remaining spring onions I'm adding. Now I'll be transferring my fish into the oven. First, I'm oiling the pan so it doesn't stick to the pan. Then grill for 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now. The first side is ready. Now I'm turning it to the other side. Because fish doesn't take so much time to cook, unlike chicken and the rest. So the other side has to be grilled for 5 minutes maximum, and there you have it. It's looking so beautiful. Croaker is a very healthy option for you, especially if you are trying to eat really healthy. So this is a very healthy meal for you. Now I'll be gracing it with some onions, some tomatoes, some cucumber, you know. At this point I can't resist the urge to taste it. So delicious, it's so yummy, so tasty, so flavorful, you know. You should try this, you really should try this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.